answer is not wrong. It's unequal only. But to understand the stress, we have to use a hammer, right? Question is again, this is a rock body, okay? I want to break it. Problem है so maximum stress को मतलब bias problem है ना so the maximum stress will be from upper direction, right? Maximum stress, so this direction is called what? Sigma 1 from अर्थात है ना sigma 1 by बोलो maximum stress direction पूरा this one ठीक है सर then sometimes what may happen, this is the rock, I am hitting it, but it will go or the hammer will slip. So to prevent that, what I have to put my legs or put some two other people will hold with something, okay? So they are holding like this, or I am putting in between my legs. Then I am hitting it. So still it's the sigma 1, but some pressure is given from the side also as well, right? So but it is less than sigma 1. So it will be sigma 2 means medium stress or intermediate, okay? Then the other direction, no stress is provided, right? No force is provided, it's open. So it will be your sigma minimum stress direction, okay? But what happens in geology? The more important thing than sigma 1, sigma 2, and sigma 3 is lambda 1, lambda 2, and lambda 3. Can I go? Lambda 1, lambda 2, and lambda 3 are your strain, maximum and minimum strain and intermediate. Okay. So we don't know how much stress was provided. আমি দেখা পাচ্ছি নাকি রক বডিতে কি মানে স্ট্রেস দিয়েছে আর can we see, like can we calculate? We can never calculate the stress, okay? Directly we cannot say, but it's preserved in the rocks, okay? Effect has been preserved in the rocks. It will give us strain. So we study the strain to calculate the stress, okay? So if I'm going to hit someone, okay, this is sigma 1, there will be red here, right? So it will be what? The effect, the energy has been transformed from my hand to someone's cheek. Okay, to fully go. So it will have evidence on it. Strain. This is your strain. The effect is strain. So after seeing this, okay, someone has hit. You come now, I'm going to if there is no eye difference. So stress means the force that has been provided. Strain means the energy that has been stored. Okay, transfer by store by taken. So strain to psychodynamic, by studying the strain of the rock, we are going to create a history. Like what was the stress, what was the time period. Okay, it is known as PTT history, pressure, temperature, time history. What will happen? If I am giving sigma from 1 from top, it will all fall down, okay? But haphazardly, but everyone is falling down, okay? It is like this. But still, lineation is not a problem. Again, if I am giving another pressure from this side, lineation has been developed. So, in this case, to develop the lineation, what will be the condition? Stress condition. Okay. So, for lineation, what happens? Sigma 1, we have to provide to make them fall, right? Again, we have to give another stress from another direction. So it will be nearly equal to sigma 2 will be nearly equal to sigma 1. But both of them are greater than sigma 3 को काम में नहीं, इनको use करते हैं. So this is the condition for developing lineation. Example लिखो. First thing is fluid का क्या? हाँ? वो एक कौन है? हाँ? Volatiles are examples of fluid. Key. Things that flow. पेज ले देखो स्क्वायर माइनस है fluids means things that flow. So the fluid includes liquid as well as oil and iron. Oil, right? Anything that can flow can be called as fluid. So that is liquid or gas or So we have a lot of volatiles present inside our earth, right? CO2, H2O, ठीक है सर? ऐसे रहना है. Examples तो बहुत हैं. H2O से CH4 methane that also occurs as a volatile, but in smaller amount. The abundant one is CO2. Mamas. ना लगे मुझे. I want to ask you one question. If we are able to remove all the CO2 from our atmosphere, what will happen? We will die. There will be what? Snowball earth. Ice age will develop. Yes, sir. Because these are the gases, greenhouse gases, no, which keeps our earth hot. Because H2O, that means water vapor, CO2. दूसरा ले लो. नहीं बहुत हो गया तुम लोग. निकलो निकलो. CO2 बहुत हो गया. निकलो निकलो. ऐसा नहीं आएगा.